Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading for the month of July 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Okay, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be notified about my latest videos. So I'll be looking at some of your past energies, some of your present and future energies as well, and then I'll end your reading with some couple of cards from the universe. So let's get started with your reading now. My Capricorns, July 2020. Let's see what are the predictions for this July month for my Capricorns. All right. So your overall energy card is 8 of Pentacles. Busy in your work, just do not have time for other things right now, and you are more concerned about your work, more focused in one particular thing. You don't want some other, because you are those people, you are among those people who give everything, who give you their 100%. If it is a love relationship, if it is a work, if it is anything, you just give your 100% in that situation. So that is what you are doing. Again, you are just giving your 100% towards something. All right. So your past energies are 7 of Cups, 8 of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. I see you that you have a lot of things in your mind. You had a lot of options, a lot of things going on in your mind. But you, I don't know why, but you chose to leave the situation for some time. And you are just being the Knight of Pentacles, sitting normally and just waiting for the perfect time to come. And whenever it will come, whenever this thing will happen, it will be fine with you. So you have just moved away from that particular situation, and it's better to not think about that. If it has to come towards you, if it needed to be yours, it will be yours. You don't have to do anything, because you have done a lot of things already, right? Present energy is 10 of Cups, 9 of Swords and the Emperor. Okay, so you have left those energies back, but still you are still thinking. Your mind is going round and round and round towards that thing. You might have left them in your past, whatever your past, where you left those energies, but your mind is not actually, mind is telling you no, just be here, be here. For some people, there is some kind of a dominating person in your current life, and might be your husband, your wife, your family member, and who is a lot, might be your father as well for some people, who is very dominating, who is like, no, the way I will tell you, it will happen that way only, either my way or highway. So that kind of a thing is actually, you are getting, you are exhausting, you are tired of listening these kind of statements, and that is why I feel there is some kind of for some people only 1-2% only. So this is some kind, that kind of energy which is coming, and you are feeling about it. You are crying, you are not able to sleep during night. It's making you exhausted, worried, and the family is basically the whole, family aura is disturbed. Your future energies, 2 of Swords, King of Cups and Ace of Swords. Okay, so I see that there is some kind of clarity, some kind of communication is going to happen, okay, between you or this, your family member, someone, or your father. With King of Cups, I feel that this is a very mature person. I feel that this is someone from your family. There is some kind of communication is going to happen with you and the other person, and but that communication will not, it will not leave more clear details. It will make you more confused, I feel. But we will clarify the cards. Let's clarify. 8 of Pentacles, Okay. So you are, as I said, already said that you are so much into some kind of situation. You are working. You are giving your 100% that situation. The cards are the Chariot, the Emperor, and Six of Coins. So you are moving on in your life. You want, if you are doing some work, you are happy to do that work. You are basically, this is a way to move on in your life. If for some people, like those who love to do gardening, those who love to do some craft work, those who love their job, so this is a way for them to move on in their life, and that is what you are doing. But there is still that Emperor again, which is over here, and this Emperor might be somebody senior to you, might be someone, might be you yourself. Okay, so it can be anything. So you are not able to, there's some kind of stubbornness in you yourself, that you are not able to accept some things, which is not letting you sleep. I don't know what this thing is. Might be your boss as well. You have some problems that you want some things and that person is not giving you back, because with Six of Coins it is a give and take relationship. Okay, so if this is regarding with some love relationship, you are dealing with that kind of a person. Might be a Cancerian, and you are just might be an Aries as well, and you are just you want a give and take relationship with the other person, and that person is being very bossy, that person is dominating you. You want to go towards something new, you want to explore new things, but this person is not letting you do some things. So for some people, yeah. Okay, so let's clarify. Seven of Cups in your past energies. Okay, the Devil, Seven of Cups again, and the Hangman. Okay. For some people, I feel that they have left that kind of toxic addiction. For those people who are involved in some uh, drinking or smoking habit, so you are leaving that kind of an habit for some people, and you are giving yourself time. You are taking some things in from a, you are looking some things from a different perspective, and that is why you are just enjoying this soothing time of yours. This is for some people only. And for some people, I feel that there is some, the situations, basically you are going through a lot of things, and with the Devil card, this is you, and you are just being in that mode where you are no more concerned about this thing. It's better to just hang on with yourself, just take a break, just have some coffee, just have some, let's do some gardening, let's do some artwork or some singing, karaoke. So that is what you are doing, and you are just taking a break from this situation, because you have a lot of things in your mind, Capricorn. A lot of things are going in your emotional level, mind level, family level. A lot of pressure, a lot of many things are going in your life. So if you are taking a break, I really feel that is what it is. Let's see, what are you going forwards towards? Okay, two of Rods, Four of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. So you are walking towards your independence, your inner growth, your happy life, the way you want, your self-love kind of a thing, basically. And you are not able to accept the bad things, basically. For some people, it might also be a very toxic relationship, and you are moving towards normal, because the way you like your life, it is very, just not doing sometimes anything, sitting idle, doing nothing. And sometimes you are like, I'm more into my self love, please let me sit alone, I want my me time. So you are not able to accept this kind of an energy. For some people who you might be involved with some person who drinks a lot and who has a lot of addiction and smoke a lot. That is why you are not able to accept this kind of an energy, and it's better you are like that. I might go towards something else uh, to be a part of this person. It's better to go something, just be alone for some time. So that is what you are thinking. Your thinking process is going on, I feel. Let's clarify 10 of cups in your present energies. King of Pentacles, King of Rods, and Ace of Swords. Okay. Someone is being very messy over here, dealing with two people at a time. And so now, it's time to confront, my dear. So you are in between two people. See how this is. King of Rods, King of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. So for some people, it's like you are dealing with two people and they got to know that you are into something fishy, something very messy. You are creating a mess. So that is why they are demanding a proper communication, a proper clarity towards this. And that is why for some people, you are not able to sleep. You are so worried, oh my god, I got caught. And you are like, now what to do. For some people, with this King of Pentacles, I feel that this might be the Emperor of yours, that he or she made you so, that person is so dominating, and you couldn't continue with this person, because King of Pentacles is more of a Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo energy. So a little stubbornness, a little domination is there, I feel. So that is why you went towards the King of Rods, Sag, Aries, or Leo person, and you found this person so passionate, and he or she made you so happy, so that you are ready to leave this person, or you were not ready basically, but this is something which you were doing. So but the other person got to know that you are roaming here and there. So that is making a great mess. Okay, so let's clarify the Emperor. Eight of Pentacles and 10 of Swords. So actually this was a very long-term relationship before, but for some people it is coming to an end because they felt cheated, I feel that. And yes, this can be either side as well. You also might be feeling cheated because of this person. This person might be dealing with two people and you feeling like, oh my god, what is happening with my life? I gave so much time to this relationship. Even he or she was dominating. I gave my 100% in this relationship. But I feel that this is coming to an end. And that is making you feel a little sad and you're crying. Okay, let's see what the future energies are. Two of Swords, Queen of Swords, Queen of Rods. Oh my god. Okay. Queen of Pentacles and the Star. Three queens. Queen of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and Queen of Rods. A lot of people are involved in your situation, I feel that. Okay, so you are the Queen of Pentacles here. The Queen of Rods has entered and Queen of Swords with Two of Swords. So, a lot of confusion. A lot. With the Star, it's like, you are dealing with three people and all three are the hotties, and which one to choose, that is a situation for some people. because you are just in the middle of nowhere and you are like, what to do, which one to choose. I feel for some people there are three persons involved in your situation, and there might be some kind of communication happening. I feel that, but that communication, I told you that it will lead you nowhere, it will make you more confused. And these three people, so there's a saying in Hindi that teen tigade kaam bigade. So this means that if three people are involved in doing some work, they will just mess it up. Okay, so that is something which is happening. I see in your future energies, it's not getting cleared. It's becoming more messy. So let's clarify. King of Cups, Four of Pentacles, the World, one more card please, and Knight of Swords. Alright, so for those people who are dealing with the family issues and who are just waiting for their dad to connect, or there is some person they are communicating with, there is no conclusion. I see over here, no conclusion is coming over here, and you are still holding on to your points, the other person is still holding on to his or her points, and it's like there's a war creating between two. See, this person, they are just holding on to their own decisions, and it's like it's making the situation more worse, and it's leading you nowhere. So that is why this communication is not giving you any clarity. But let's clarify the Ace of Swords as well. Justice, the Empress, and Nine of Wands. See, you are going nowhere. You are just standing over there guarding your place, and you really want justice to happen, the things to get clear, but they are not getting clear. More blockages are coming. I feel that there is a person you are dealing with, and that person is creating the blockages. See, you are here and this other person is here, and it's like the other person is creating some blockages, and it's not letting you to continue to clarify the situation. See, this person is between the two, and you are just trying to clear some stuff, you want to communicate, but no. So I really feel that if this communication is whatever the communication for those people, if this is a communication matter, communication problem is going on, so might be the court might decide for some people the law, or might be for some people it might be some other person who can create balance between two parties or two situations, or they can come in between and they can sort it out. So there's something which needs to be sought out, but it's making the situation more worse, I feel, because the more the people are involving in your situation, the more the situation is becoming worse. So just look at the situation, and don't be that stubborn kind of a person who is just holding on to that energy, because I feel you that you will be holding on to some kind of situations that you are not able to accept some things. So that is why the situation is becoming more worse. So let's clarify let's see what the universe has to tell. Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands. So a communication is here. The universe is telling you that communication is there, but with the Ace of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, see, this communication is between two people. One is Ace of Pentacles and the one is the Queen of Pentacles, and both are the stable energies. So this means that the universe is telling you, if you want to communicate, try to be in that environment where more you find more stability, you find more mature people around you, and then just clear your situations. If you are having troubles in your love life, more people are there, two people, you know, three people are involved in the situation. So just have a talk, just go and talk to that person who can communicate the way it should be communicated. This is a message from the universe. Okay, and do not end up in the fights and all arguments. Stay away from that till July 12th. It's Mercury retrograde season, so it is a hint for you that stay away from that kind of harsh energies as well. Okay, so that's all from my side, Capricorns. I hope you like my reading. So let's see you in the next video. Till then, bye.